It can be interesting to hear what ends up on the cutting room floor of popular movies. For example, The Legend of Tarzan, which just opened in theaters last weekend, has a gay kiss in it that was cut from the film. Alexander Skarsgård plays the chiseled Tarzan, and Christoph Waltz plays the bad guy, Captain Leon Rom. In one of the scenes, Christoph plants a kiss on Skarsgård, and the scene played out from there. However, when they were editing the film, it didn't seem to fit, even though it did seem that way when they shot it. The director David Yates said, "We loved it at the time, but early test audiences were perplexed by it, and in the end it just felt too clever and overworked." Yates also said there was going to be a lot more steamy sex scenes between Tarzan and Jane, played by Margot Robbie, but those got scaled back a bit too. Maybe a director's cut is in store for the Blu-ray.